Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Chris. I took two trades today. So the first one was for an opening range breakout. Here, the first one was for an opening range breakout, and the reason why I was watching WFC was because of the daily chart. So we had a ceiling become the floor, and then we were consolidating in a range. And yesterday was a pretty strong bullish day off of increasing volume. So I like that. I thought there might be some hype at the open, and 30 was a pretty clear target, right? There was a large order at the level 2 still there. Okay, so it sold off, squeezed about halfway back up. Nice bullish candle off of good volume, sold off. Weaker volume, could not break down. So that's good volume. What is that? Good volume right here, and just cannot break pre-market low. I think the correct entry would probably have been somewhere around here with an entry a few cents below pre-market low. But my entry was just too late. The risk reward was not there. The longer I was in it, the less I liked it, mostly because I was going against previous day close and also previous day high. So just didn't feel good. Decided to jump out. All right, the next trade was a double bottom on IQ. And what I liked most about it was the 5-minute chart. Okay, so we sold off. And then we threw indecision on large volume. Then we consolidated sideways here for 10 minutes off of moderate volume. Okay, and then I think this was the tail right here. So we have a pretty large price move off of not a lot of volume at all. Okay, so compare this candle and this volume to this candle and this volume, right? So the price move is pretty much the same, but about 3 times more orders got processed here. And so when I look at this, I think strong bearish sentiment. When I look at this, I think market makers manipulating price in order to get a sense for, you know, how strong the bearish sentiment is now before they move the price up, or just to get a better fill, or just wick people out, or, you know, just doing what they do. So I just didn't feel like this price move was valid. Okay, so the question is, once you get a bounce and we're starting to sell off again, the question is this a low of day breakout or is it a double bottom? Okay, I think those two strategies are related. And from looking at the 5-minute chart and also just looking at this bit of price action right here, selling off with such low volume, I thought for sure that I thought that it wasn't going to be strong enough to break low of day. And if it gave me a good entry for a double bottom, I was going to take it. Okay, so I have my entry right here. Okay, so just pause this for a sec. One thing to note is that I think that the level 2 here is very, very bearish, and I knew that going in. Okay, so there's a lot of people that think the price is going to come to them. So I didn't like that very much, but I felt like I had a pretty good read from the volume, and this candle closed so small that it gave such an excellent ability to limit risk that I felt like it was totally worth it, right? Because I have a technical level, low of day, and the risk reward is just great. Like, even if we just get to 19, it's still like 2.5 hours away. Okay, so right when that 2-minute candle closed was my entry. Okay, good buying on the tape. Okay, and I just partialed on the way up. And I did an add here. And I moved my stop just below 19. And we'll see. So I have just a small amount of my position left. But that's it. So those are my two trades. I hope you guys had a good day. And thanks.